Ultimately, Whoop is about finding brilliant people and empowering them.
I mean, you see everyone show up every day as their true self. It just seems like people walk into this place and know that whoever they are as an individual is going to be accepted, and that we welcome the perspective that difference brings, and knowing that we are going to be a better company, we're going to produce a better product.
I think having a very diverse, very inclusive environment is actually critical to building a successful company. You need different perspectives. You need people who come from a whole different world of backgrounds, and you need them to apply that to how they think about the problems you're solving at hand. So not only are diversity, inclusion, equity, sort of critical pillars for any company just in the modern age, they actually make you a better business, because that type of culture and environment facilitates better thinking and better problem solving.
When we begin a search and a hiring process, we go back to the mission of the company. Whoop wants to help people unlock human performance. But to take it a step further, Whoop wants to help anyone and everyone unlock human performance. So in order for us to create a product that can be used by anyone and everyone, that means the product has to be inclusive, and that starts with having an inclusive company. So when we think about who are the voices at the table that are impacting our research and design processes, are they representative of a diverse population? Because their voices are the ones that are going to matter to push us and to challenge us to build a better company and build a better product that is truly inclusive.
I think there's a reason why we retain employees at such a high rate, is because I think we approach it from this value-based perspective. And because we want our employees to be able to express their values in their work. So I think that connection is extraordinarily important.
We have 5 software values, and what they are technical prowess. There is ownership, taking something from the start and taking it all the way to the finish line. The next one is collaboration and communication, right? You do need to work with other people, and you need to understand how to work with people. The next one is impact, how our engineers are impacting our customers and our members. And then finally, we also have maturity. For example, do you take feedback well? Are you able to grow and learn? Are you open-minded? And so these 5 software values drive what the software team is today.
One of my favorite things about working here at Whoop is that you encounter so many people that are experts at what they do, and they care so deeply about what they do that it's kind of a whirlwind at first when you get to speak with people in software engineering and in mechanical engineering and in electrical engineering, and you get to understand exactly how our product works, and that excites me, that they're so excited about what they do.
A lot of what we look for in the hiring process is people who are high intensity and high humility. You can think of people who are high intensity as people who are really driving to better understand their skill, their craft, they're constantly pushing, they're hardworking. You can think of people who are high humility as those who in the process recognize they don't have all the answers. And the brilliant thing about having people who are high intensity and high humility in a fast-paced environment is you inevitably have people colliding over their ideas and their beliefs. And that can actually be a difficult thing, because then you have different people wrestling for what's the right answer. But I find that when you also have people who are high humility, it becomes much more about what's the best answer for the company or what's the best answer for solving the problem than who came up with it. And I think a lot of the Whoop culture is based on the fact that we have these individuals who are super talented, very high intensity, but also high humility. And it makes Whoop a place that in turn is very transparent. I think where Whoop has an advantage over other employers or big companies is that we don't hire you and put you in a box. We really want you to grow at Whoop. We want you to be empowered. We want your career to grow at Whoop.
Wearable devices have obviously existed, but to the level that we're trying to change this space for wellness and fitness and unlocking human potential has truly never been done the way that we're doing it. And there's a lot of blue sky for us right now here at Whoop.